Hi guys, and welcome to today's unboxing, which is going to be for the Blackmagic ATEM Mini. I was going to get the Pro, but it would have been another 4 weeks after bloody 2.5 weeks of already ordering the Pro. I decided to then cancel because my client said, I'm not going to be using you for video. And I was like, okay, that's fine. So I went over to the company that I bought this from, and I told them I don't actually need the Pro anymore. And they said, well, we do have the Mini in stock. So I said, yep, I'll get the Mini. I'll use that for myself. So here we go. It was delivered by DHL, and it's come in this lovely padded envelope. So because of coronavirus, there's actually been a shortage of these Blackmagic Mini video switches, and yeah, I'm surprised that they got the smaller one out before getting the big one out, because I think the big one would have obviously made them more money, but I think most people will go for that. So this is it. This is the ATEM Mini, and yeah, looks all right. So just to give you a bit of information, this was actually created or built on the 20th of January, 20th of July. This was built. So this is fresh off the press. Let's open this now. It's let's see. So I've taken the plastic off. I don't know why they put plastic on it, but I guess it's because you don't want anybody to tamper with it in transit. But yeah, nice box, very glossy. Looks quite premium actually, feels quite nice. Yeah, pretty sturdy. So I'm just going to read this off here. So this is a powerful live production switcher designed for exciting YouTube live streaming and business presentations via Skype. But it can do a lot more, and I'll show you that in future videos, but this is just going to be an unboxing. So if you do like this video and you want to see more to do with live streaming and the ability to use multiple inputs, please like and share this channel and this video, and we'll get to those videos in the very near future. So it includes the ATEM software control. Now this is probably going to be a bit of a weird thing to do, to use that, but we'll get into that as well at some point. But yeah, as you can see, you've got 4 inputs. Actually, I'll show it to you on the actual device itself. So let's just open this. There we go. Smells fresh. Now, this is what you get in the box. You get a welcome pack. Pop that there. You get a DaVinci Resolve. Ooh, hello. Oh, I can download DaVinci Resolve anyway. I've got it on one of my machines. La 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 la. Does this give me anything extra? No, not really. Okay, so here we have the power adapters. So I need the UK socket. So let's grab this bad boy here. And I'm glad that they allow you to swap these out and you're not stuck with one particular type, because I do go all over I do go all over the world, and if one of my customers actually needs video production on the fly, some live streaming or pre-recorded or whatever, I can just swap a couple of things out, and I don't need to take millions of extensions with me. So yeah, really good. Like how you think, Blackmagic. And the other thing I like about this, let me just put this down. And the other thing I like is the fact that this is a screw down plug. So basically it's never going to get pulled out by accident. So let's just plug this in. And sometimes these are quite tricky depending on which way they are actually meant to go in. So I probably would assume, yeah, wow, that was a lot easier than one of my Android phone adapters. Still smelling it. All right, so taking this off now, and then you have the switcher. Look at that. Okay, you didn't see that. It fell into this fell on my ankles, and it's quite heavy actually. It's made of metal. What? Okay guys, so we had a bit of a problem. My battery died, and as I was talking about this, so as I was talking about this, I lost the camera, and I was talking about this feeling like metal, but it's not. It's actually plastic, but it's such a high quality plastic. I think it's really durable. Yeah, I wouldn't throw it at anyone, but it's actually pretty good. So right, yeah, as I was saying, so you got 4 input channels, and they are represented here, and then you have one HDMI output going to somewhere like a monitor or a recorder, or you've got the USB out, which will then send it out to your computer. Hey, there's one thing they haven't included in the package. I haven't included USB to USB. It's got a few features on it. Unfortunately, not the same amount of features on the Pro. The Pro is pretty massive. It's got this area here, which is taken up by a few other things, which are really, really useful. But because I now no longer need them, I can still do all of this, patch it through to OBS, and then continue using OBS to do those extra bits and pieces, to be fair. So save some money there, but even so, it would have been nice to have just a dedicated button for it. So let's just show you what we can do. So here we can turn mics 1 and 2 on and off, and I think this is the volume for the microphones, and then we have the picture-in-picture options. So top left, bottom left, top right, bottom right, and then you can turn these on and off. And then the keying you can turn on and off. Keying will allow you to put cut out the green screen if you had a green screen in the background. But I think those features you need to tweak in the software before you can make them work on here. And then you have the duration elements for the transitions, and these are the transitions. So you've got wipe. You've got wipe left to right, and then up and down. Then you've got push right left and push right. No, you got push right, and then you've got slide right, I think that is. And then you can mix and dip those together. And then you've got the cut. You can make the cut. If you press auto and press one of these, it will automatically then do the cut for you in a certain way. And then you've got the fade to black. Now that will be cutting off your stream, but unfortunately what it doesn't do is cut the audio as well, unless your audio is coming directly from a HDMI device. Say if I connect this camera via HDMI to this, I will be able to cut the audio out completely. Now what I need to know is if the audio from track 1 or HDMI port 1 is going to come across, and then when I click on any of these, that same audio still continues to go. If it doesn't continue to go, then I'm going to have to do some more testing and maybe see if the software can do it. But this is a really good device. Also, I didn't mention this earlier, you can connect it via the Ethernet port to your router or your switch, and you can basically broadcast directly through this, and also cut and everything, switch cameras directly through this. So you're taking the strain off the computer and leaving the computer to just process your live stream. And yeah, I'm just really excited to use this now. I've used something very similar in the past, but it was a lot more complicated than this, so this should be a doddle. But yeah, let's see what something like this would normally be larger, would cost like 7 times the amount as this. This was just under $300 or £300, same thing. But yeah, anyone can afford this. If you're a starting off YouTuber and you want to stream, or if you're a Twitch streamer, this is ideal for you. People that make tutorial videos, this is ideal for you. You can have main camera, overhead camera, side camera, and you can also have like slides from a computer or secondary computer, and they all fit in, and then you can just work on it through this device. It's going to be brilliant when I use it. Unfortunately, I am still stuck in this environment where I can't actually expand too much, so I can't actually add more cameras, more lighting. I can't do any of that, but for when I do get that ability, this is going to be perfect. But for now, I'm going to be using this, testing it out. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.